In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a database and template in Notion using buttons and automations. If you're new to Notion or looking to enhance your workflow, integrating databases and templates can be a game changer, streamlining processes and improving efficiency. So let's dive right into it. First, open your Notion database. This could be in any format you prefer, whether it be a table, board, calendar, or any other option that fits your style of organization. Now look towards the top right of your database. You'll see a small down arrow next to the new button. Go ahead and click on that. This reveals a drop-down menu. From here, select the option for Plus New Template. This feature introduces you to a world of customized templates, allowing you to start building one that suits your needs. Now, let's talk about building your template. This is where you can let your creativity flow and design something that truly fits with your workflow. Add essential elements like properties, text, and checklists. These fields are going to be the backbone of your organizational setup, providing consistency and reliability. Once you've crafted a template that meets your needs, the next step is equally simple. Return to the new drop-down menu. When you want to add new entries, simply choose this template, ensuring all new entries maintain the structure and detail you've painstakingly put together. Moving on, let's open a page where you want to incorporate a button. Simply type in button. You'll notice a gorgeous array of options pop up, but for our purposes, we want to focus on configure button. Click on that. This feature allows for even more seamless interactions within your Notion space, as you'll see in a moment. Under the action menu that now appears, you're given a variety of choices. For our task, choose Add New Entry to Database. This will then prompt you to select the specific database you're looking to dynamically populate. You can also opt to select a template if you want each new button created entry to look a certain way. If you choose a template here, every time you press the button, a new entry is created in your specified database using that template, giving you consistency and saving you time. With everything set up, you're all ready to enhance your Notion experience. The button feature coupled with templates makes it possible to manage and automate repetitive tasks, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters. Soon you'll find your Notion workflow more intuitive and, above all, effective. Practice, explore more buttons, and watch your productivity soar. Remember, organization is key, and technology like Notion is here to help you become the master of yours.